Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will understand the complete flow of work center and operations in Odoo. We will see how to configure a work center, how operations are defined, and how both are connected in the manufacturing process. Before going into Odoo, let's understand the concept. A work center is a place where a specific manufacturing activity happens. For example, cutting machine, assembly line, painting section. In simple term, work center is where the work is performed. Let's move to Odoo. First, we need to navigate into manufacturing, into that configuration, and then work center. Yes, let's create a new work center here. This is the form view of a work center where we will create a new work center. Here there is a field called as work center name. Here we can define the name of the work center. Like we shall define it as a cutting machine. Next there is a code here. This is an internal reference for identification. Next as a tag. It is used to categorize work center. We can add a tag if required. Next, add to work center. If one machine is busy, Odoo gets access to another. For example, assembly line 1, alternatively assembly line 2. This is just an example. Next, working hour. Working hour is nothing but here it's showing a standard 40 hours per week. This helps Odoo plan production time. Next is a company. Defines which company this work center belongs to. Here it is my company, the San Francisco. Next there is a subsection called as the general information and specific capacities. General information section, it consists of the production information and costing information. In the production information, we can see the time efficiency. Currently for this, it's showing as 100. We can edit it. This defines how fast the work center operates. If 100% is there, it's normal. More than 100%, it is faster. And less than 100% means it's slower. Next, there is a capacity. Here, it's showing as 1. We can edit it. Like this means only one job can run at a time. If it is 1. Next, OWE target. This is used to measure performance efficiency. Next, the setup time. We can set the time required before starting production and the cleanup time required after completion, after completing production. Next, in the costing information, we can see here the cost per hour. This is a very important. It defines how much it costs to run this work center per hour. Like for example, 500. Yes. Next, expense account is there. It is used for accounting integration. Like here we can see the cash bank suspense account. Whichever is there, we can select it according to the requirement. And we can also add the description for this work center. Here it is like as a text page. Yes. On the topmost, we can see the matrices like OWE, lost, load, performance. These are used to track real-time efficiency and performance. Yes. Next, save this. Next, we will move to the operations. Operations define what work needs to be done in each work center. For that, we shall navigate into the manufacturing, into that product and bill of material. We shall just open any one of the bill of material which has been already created. Yes. Here we can see the operation section here. Let's we shall navigate into that. Here when I click on add a line in the operation section, the pop-up will get like to create the operations. Let's create the operation called as cutting. And the work center, yes, the work center which we have created is visible here. We can select that cutting machine. If any variance need to be applied, we can add here. And the duration computation, like compute based on tag time or set duration manually, like it be set duration manually. And default duration the 60 minutes and company is there. And inside the worksheet, like PDF, Google or text, I'll choose a like it be text here itself. And then save and close. Yes, the operation has been linked for this bill of material. Yes, this is how the operations and the work centers work in manufacturing module. Work center defines where work happens and operations define what work happens. Each operation is linked to the work center as we had seen here, where when a MO like manufacturing order is created, Odoo generates work orders. Each work order is assigned to a work center and execution happens step by step based on the sequence. Yes, this is how the work center and the operation works in manufacturing module. Thank you.